In today's video, we're going to build a simple yet powerful registration form in React that includes all the basic CRUD operations: that's create, read, update, and delete. If you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your React skills, this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. We've already put together a simple static registration form to get us started. Feel free to use this as your template or follow along with my code. This will be a great hands-on practice session to sharpen your skills. In React, we often need to keep track of what users type into form fields. We do this using something called state. Let's break this down. We have a special tool in React called useState that helps us keep track of things like form inputs. Here, we start with an object that has 3 empty fields: name, email, and password. We use a bit of magic called destructuring to get 2 things: form and setForm. The form is our current state. It remembers what the user has typed. The setForm is a function that we use to update the form whenever the user types something new. When you type something in an input field, this handle change function gets called .we are extracting name and value from e.target. It refers to the input element that triggered the change. Now, let's take a look at the handleSubmit function. This function is triggered when we submit our form, and it handles both adding a new user and updating an existing user. It uses a spread operator that takes all the existing users and puts them into a new array. setUsers then updates our state with this new array, which now includes all the previous users plus the new one. User is the current user object, and index is its position in the array, and each user is displayed inside a list element. Then e.prevent default function stops the form from refreshing the page when you submit it. This is important for single-page applications like ours. Let's go over two important functions in our app: HandleEdit and HandleDelete. These functions help us manage our list of users by allowing us to edit or delete users. HandleEdit function grabs the user at the specified index from the user's array, then sets the form state to the user's details. This pre-fills the form with the data of the user we want to edit. It saves the index of the user being edited. This helps us know which user we are currently updating. Then coming back to the Handles Submit function, it checks if all the form fields name, email, and password are filled out. If any field is empty, it won't proceed. Checks if we are in edit mode, meaning we are updating an existing user. If we are, it creates a copy of the users array, updates the specific user with the new form data, and then updates the state with the new array. If we are not in edit mode, it simply adds the new user from the form to the users array. Then change the button according to the edit index, like when to change the button register or update. Lastly, Ian handled delete function. It creates a new list of users without the user at the specified index. It filters out the user that needs to be deleted. Then updates the state with this new list, effectively removing the user from the list. We've successfully built a complete CRUD application with React. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help with any issues you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!